How to add multiple photos on Telegram profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple photos on your Telegram profile. Now, if you open up the Telegram app and log into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now to add a profile, what you want to do is tap on the three-line icon that you can see on the top left corner of your screen and then tap on your profile. Now, as you tap on your profile, you'll be headed to your profile and you can see the option set profile photo just below your profile username. Tap on it and here you'll be able to choose a photo or video, or you can click a new picture or video. Now for now, I'll just select a particular picture here. If you tap on it, you'll be able to select it, and once you tap on it, tap on the tick mark that you can see at the bottom of your screen and you can see my profile picture has been uploaded. Now to add multiple pictures, what you want to do is simply tap on the three dots option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on set profile photo again, or you can just tap on the plus camera option or icon that you can see just below your profile picture, and here you'll be able to select another picture. And the trick is here, if you just select another picture here, I'll just select another quick picture here and then tap on tick, and you can see both my pictures has been uploaded to my profile picture. You can see the two that I uploaded here. Now to add another picture, you can simply tap on the plus icon again and then select another picture and then tap on tick mark and all your pictures will be uploaded. So this way you can add multiple photos on Telegram profile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.